My name is Erika Twani. I'm the CEO of Learning One-to-One and author of Becoming Einstein's Teacher. I believe every child is a genius. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to teach your kids to read and stay engaged. So let me take you on a journey here. To address this topic, we must first answer this question. What are you passionate about? It may be sports or gardening or food. I bet you if I give you anything related to what you're passionate about, you're going to devour it. Videos, anything. Well, children are no different. If they're reading something that they love, they're going to read it. They're going to be interested. So to give you an example, I have two nephews that they come every year to spend time with me and vacation time, and every morning they wake up, the very first thing they do is to turn on my computer and go to YouTube and watch soccer videos. They absolutely love soccer. And anything related to it, I can give them magazines, I can give them books, they will devour it. But the other day I tried to give them a book about science and they didn't like it. So you may ask, does that mean that, the child will only learn whatever they're passionate about? Not necessarily, because you can start relating what they learn to what they love. For instance, if the child loves soccer, you can start learning geometry by the positions of each players in the field, or the different places in the world where they play soccer, or the time of the game, or how many goals you have to score to win the championship, so on and so forth. You can learn many other things. But the most important thing is to allow the child to realize how to use what they're learning to what they love. So to make sure that this works effectively for your child, I encourage you to learn more about the 6-step relational learning framework, which you can learn about watching the videos, reading my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, and make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video. See you in the next video.